Hi and welcome to our Experience Center here in Walldorf. This is one of our flagship Experience Centers out of 26 Experience Centers all over the world. Our flagship Experience Centers also includes an Experience Lab where customers and partners can test and try latest innovation together with SAP. But follow me now to the inspiring tour of the Experience Center here in Walldorf. Within our new inspiring area, every customer could really see what does it mean to become an intelligent and sustainable enterprise. So how technology could enable them to become to this intelligent and sustainable enterprise. So I'm more than happy to invite you to our Experience Centers all over the world.
Welcome to our Industry 4.0 PopUp Factory here in Walldorf. We demonstrate our supply chain solutions along the entire end-to-end value chain in a real-time, practical, live environment. Industry 4.0 is not a buzzword anymore. It's real, it's practical. On over 500 square meters of space, we demonstrate various use cases where you can experience and understand software in practice. Looking forward to meet you here on the shop floor soon.